Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Music with your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start using Apple Music on your PS5. Maybe you have an Apple Music account. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? Now, first things first, what you want to do is navigate to where it says Settings on the upper right hand corner. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says Users and Accounts. Afterwards, you want to scroll down and click on where it says Linked Services. So as you can see, you have a variety of different linked services which you can actually go ahead and connect with your PS5. Click on Apple Music, and then this is the really important step, guys. So with Apple Music, you're going to need an Apple account and obviously an Apple Music subscription. So go ahead and click on link, and then afterwards, you can either scan this QR code or go to link.apple.com, and then afterwards, type in the code that you see on the right-hand side. So with that is going to link your Apple Music with your PS5. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Apple Music with your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.